These are the plaintiffs, Angelique Taylor and Jasmine Taylor. Angelique says the defendants scammed them by taking a deposit on a car they were selling and then never delivered the car. That's right. They took their money, then ignored them. And they're here seeking justice for the $625 the defendants definitely need to return. These are the defendants, Amanda Camo and Harold Camo Jr. Amanda says the plaintiffs gave her a deposit on the car, all right, but they never came to pay off the balance or pick up the car. That's right. She held onto that car for 3 weeks. Then, out of the blue, they call her saying they didn't want the car any longer and demanded a full refund. Ah! We'll see what the judge has to say about that. They're accused of taking the money and not delivering.
All parties, please raise your right hand. Be seated. Come to order, please. Litigants have been sworn, Your Honor.
Thank you, Douglas. Angelique Taylor and Jasmine Taylor, you're suing Amanda Camo and Harold Camo Jr. for $625. Why are you sitting down relaxing and leaving? Get up there and stand there. You're being sued. It's not like you're a witness. All right, you're suing them for $625, a deposit that you placed on a car and you were never able to get the car. Tell me what's going on.
Okay, so my daughter got her license and
How old are you?
17.
Okay.
She was excited about getting her first car, so she did the process of looking up a car. She found a car that she was interested in, Let Go, that the defendants...
On the website Let Go?
Yes.
Or the app?
Yes,
right?
the app.
The app
yes.
Let Go.
The defendant was listing the car for $1625. So my daughter was interested. They had text message back and forth about the car. We were supposed to go meet the defendant on November the 12th to make arrangements to look at the car to see if my daughter liked the car, and if she liked the car, we would leave a deposit on the car for them to take the car off or let go as sold. So on November the 12th, me and my daughter made arrangements with the defendants to go see the car.
Which defendant did you make arrangements with? The man or the woman?
My daughter made the
Who'd you talk to, man or woman?
Harold.
The man.
Okay, now you two, your relationship is what?
Brother and sister.
Yeah.
Sister and brother. Okay, so go ahead.
So we were supposed to meet them on the 12th around 9 o'clock in the morning to go see the car. My daughter and I proceeded to go to their location, the house the address that they gave us to go see the car. So Harold proceeded to write up a contract for my daughter and Amanda. So
For your daughter and Amanda. Whose car is it?
the car was, Harold listed the car as his sister's, but he was representing his sister as
Okay.
a salesperson to
Who
sell
is
the
the
car.
registered owner of that car? You are?
My baby's father, but it's my car.
Well, no, it's not. The registered owner is the baby's father. So it's not your car if you're not the title owner. But unless did he sign it over to you?
To be honest with you, we were in
Yeah,
the
I demand
process.
it when you're
We were
under
in the
oath.
process of doing that, but I have 3 kids, and the car was no longer useful for me. I can't fit 3 car seats, so we didn't even get that far. I got to drive the car for only a few months.
Are you with him or you're not with him?
I am.
You are with him?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So go ahead. What happened?
So he proceeded to write up a contract for my daughter and Amanda.
Okay.
It stated that we was
Did
leaving.
both of them sign it?
Yes, they did. They
Okay. Does
initialed
anybody have a
and
copy
signed.
of it?
Yeah.
I do.
Okay, go ahead.
We proceeded to leave the 625.
All right. So the arrangement is that you left $625 as a deposit, so it's sold. And then there will be 2 additional payments of $500 each. The car is being sold as is. November 26th is a $500 payment, and it just says 10th, but I presume that's December 10th?
Yes.
Okay, right?
Yes.
Okay, is the other $500 payment. Everybody signs. As of December 10th, the car will be paid in full. Hooray! I've got my first car. What happened?
My daughter was very excited that she was going to get her car. She called her grandmother to let her grandmother know about the arrangements in the car. Her grandmother decided that she would give us the remaining $1,000 to pay off the car so that my daughter can receive the car sooner than what it was. That same day, I proceeded and I called Harold and I let him know, like, listen, my daughter's grandmother decided to give us the rest of the remaining money and we would like to get the car sooner than what it is. So we agreed that we would give them the 2 weeks when the next payment would be due, which is November the 26th. So November the 26th, the verbal agreement that me and Harold made over the phone was that when we come to pick up the car on November the 26th, we would give them the remaining $1,000 and my daughter would get the car. So November the 24th, That Monday. I text him at
24th is a Saturday.
Saturday, sorry.
Okay, go
I
ahead.
text him at 9:17 in the morning. I said, "Good morning, just wanted to make sure all's good to pick up the car on Monday. I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving."
Right.
No answer back from him. On the 26th, I tried to text him to make sure that everything was okay with the arrangements and that we was good to pick
And
up
what
the car.
happened?
Nothing, no response.
So you
ma'am.
never hear from them again?
I didn't hear from him again until he texted me later on that day, Monday. And he said, "I will call you around 7 p.m. I promise."
And did he?
No,
Okay, but at some point, somebody tells you the car's not ready, correct?
he did.
Okay, and he tells you, we need more time, the car's not ready. Mm-hmm. Okay, and then what happens?
So I continue to text message to him about when is the next pickup for the car. It was always something with him.
Okay, so did you ever try calling her?
My daughter did.
Okay,
Well,
and what
I was
happened
trying
when
to-
you called her?
The number that they gave us to call them was the number of the house that they lived in.
Okay.
Nobody answered.
Okay,
I
so
called
just ring, ring,
him.
ring?
I called him, nobody answered.
No recorder?
No answer, no nothing.
Was there a recorder, yes or no?
A message
Could you
recorder?
have left a message?
I did.
And did you leave a message?
Yes.
Okay, and no one would answer your call?
I never got a call or text back.
Okay. Did you ever talk to her, yes or no?
Amanda?
Yeah.
No.
Did you ever talk to him?
Yes, on
All
the
right,
phone.
and then what does he tell you is going on with the car?
He told me that the car was going through an inspection. It needed an O2 sensor.
And what date was that?
That was on December the 3rd.
Okay, and so what happened on the date of the payment, November the 26th, when they were supposed to, I know you wanted to pay it in full.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna look at the text between you and her representative in a moment. But what ended up happening
They never answered my text. So
for
that,
you to be able to hand
yeah,
the money?
so that we can
All right,
go
now
there.
let me hear from you. What's your defense?
Okay. I do feel bad that they feel I did that, but that's not true. I gave them my cell phone number and my house phone. I'm a mom of 3. I told them sometimes I can't always answer the phone. Don't think I'm avoiding you. You can come to the house and drop off the deposit at any time. They knew where I lived. They were really nice, and I am a little trustworthy. I trusted them to say, come drop off the money and we'll do another contract that you paid. I got no phone call, no nothing. I was going through a little hard times. I even waited for this young girl because she was so happy to get that car that
Did you
day.
guys ever have her cell phone?
She never gave us her cell phone.
Do you have any evidence that you gave them your cell phone?
I'm pretty sure on the contract, I could double check.
Okay, so what conversations did you think your brother was having with them in the meantime?
Basically, he did tell me that they wanted to pick the car up early. I said that cannot happen. I made it very clear to
And
them
that's
also.
fine. You have that perfect
Yes.
right.
Because I
you
have a
have
car.
you have a contract in place, and great for you if they agree to it. But if they don't agree to it, then you don't get to have the car early. I get that.
Yeah.
So go on.
So when they didn't show up on the 26th, I was at my house. I don't really leave much because of my children. So I
I'm
was
sorry.
there.
You know why they didn't show up on the 26th, right? They didn't ghost. Your brother was telling them that they were going to get the car early, even though he had no authority to
No,
do
he
that.
did not. I
No,
watched-
let's see the text. Show me
Yes,
in
he
your
did.
phone.
We have to-
I don't want to talk about it. I want to see the evidence. Show me in your phone
Okay.
the text between you and the brother.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Harvey Levin here. What's more reliable, buying a used car from a car dealer or from a private party?
I say from a private party
Why?
because dealers are very kind of scummy. Usually they work in
Oh,
commission.
you believe that whole thing about would you buy a used car from this man?
Yeah.
Gotcha. What do you say?
I'm also going to go with a private party because, like, I don't know, I feel like they cared about it a lot and it was their possession and they're giving it to you, like, at a better price maybe.
Sentimental.
Yes.
Okay. What do you say?
I would say the dealer.
Why?
I feel like private party, you don't know like what they're doing to the car, like you don't know what they've done to it, how they take care of it.
All good points, I gotta say, going inside the courtroom.
This is the conversation that
Okay.
me and Harold had back and forth.
All right, let's see what we have here. Good morning. Wanted to make sure we are all good to pick up the car on Monday. Hope you had a happy Thanksgiving.
I think they made plans.
Left
up in
you
their own head.
messages about the car pickup, no answer. If you can't hand over the car, I want all my daughter's money. So why did you blow them off on the 26th when they were calling you?
Because in the business that I know for 18 years, when somebody goes and buys a car, they buy it right then and there. Nobody gives them 3 days or a month. I'm just saying.
All right, now fast forward, November 27, November 28, November 29. Now it's December 10th. Why doesn't the car transfer then?
I'm going to be honest with you. I never got a phone call. So to me, I thought they just didn't want the car. But then they started with the threats. They wanted to pick up the car right away. If we didn't pick up right when they called, they were annoyed. I'm not doing.
But did you guys pick up or speak to them at
My
all, or
problem
did you
is
guys ghost?
My problem is why didn't they call my cell phone?
Because they don't have it. I have here a very simple thing. You're supposed to pay on the 26th, and you're supposed to pay on the 10th. You want the car early. I believe you that he's kind of back and forthing and everything, but that's fine. When it doesn't work out, then there is a protocol. So I'm not sure how it is that when we get to, she's mad now. Harold, you're playing games. I will be sending the cops to your house today. Oh, I kind of do see how we get to where we go. What's the point of that?
I know.
If we're sending the cops to your house today, as soon as I get off work, did the cops ever go?
No.
What's going on with the car? Did you end up selling it?
No, I ended up taking it off the road for her because I swear
I want to
on
hear
anything.
what happened now. Who's driving the car? You
Nobody.
are?
Nobody's driving it. I took it
Did you
off
get
for her.
another car?
No, not even that yet because I ended up.
Okay.
May I explain?
You took it off the road?
Took it off the road. Took the registration off because I swear I would never do that to her. I felt so bad.
Okay, so why am I here? Why didn't you just sell her the car then?
Because I needed to keep looking for a car. But now I got $2,000 worth of tickets because I put it in the wrong spot. I know, I'm an idiot. Unregistered. I know, I admit it. I admit it.
What do you mean the wrong spot? Where did you put it?
I was supposed to park it a little over more near the gas station, and I parked it like right center. So
Of
the
what?
cops,
In the street?
no, at a gas station. I know the gas station guy, but he told me to park it more to the side. I messed up. So now I got tickets and nobody can drive it yet.
Not only that, you can't sell it.
Yep.
But how do you figure that you're going to keep the deposit?
Honestly, because after 4 weeks went by, I was and I swear I was under the impression that with all that drama they were building, coming, threatening and stuff like that, why would I hold the car? Why would I hold the car for that long?
First of all, let's take a step back. You've sold a car you don't own title to. The correct owner is not even on that contract. That piece of paper we can blow our noses with. On what possible legal ground would you stake your hat on not returning that deposit?
Because
you don't even own the car. You can't sell it. You can't sell it. He can't sell it. Nobody here can sell that car.
Michael would be there to sign the title over. We discussed with him.
That's great. Is Michael here?
No.
Michael?
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 He probably he hates his name. Trust me.
Okay. $625. Verdict for the plaintiff.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yay. Jesus.
Well, it's been a battle for him, but the plaintiffs are finally going to get that money back. You could have saved all this by just giving them some money. Why didn't you give it back?
More to the story than what it is. I really...
Really?
Yeah.
Like what?
Yeah. Like they came to threaten, but they can't come to deliver the money. Come on.
But still.
Well, once you threaten my family, you don't get no deposit back. Sorry. Waste your time now.
They're getting it. You got to pay them. Okay?
What are you gonna do?
Sorry about that. You're going to have to give it back. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is getting heated here. Yeah, that's better. Okay, good enough.
Hi.
How you feeling now?
I am very excited that my daughter's going to get back her $625 because, to my opinion, they were scam artists. They wasn't going to release the car anyway. They got the car still listed on Let Go under 4 different accounts for 4 different prices. So they never planned on giving my daughter the car in the first place. So I'm very happy that the judge was in our favor.
Good for you. Okay. Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Okay. We like happy people. Harvey?
Hey, Doug, you can't sell what you don't own, and if you don't have title, you don't own the car.